Okay guys, so today we will learn how to export data from ManyChat custom fields or user fields to Google Sheet, right? So for that, let us create a new flow and let us name it data export. Click on create. Now here we will ask user for an input. Let us say please enter your name, right? And we'll keep it as text, and we can give a field name as name, right? Or I have already created one. Let us make it unique. So test name, right? It is asking for creation. So test name test, here you can write this will store users actual name, right? So this will not be Facebook name what he has given on the Facebook. It will be a real name which he will enter, right? So this is created, right? And then let us say we want him to give you his or her email ID, right? So let me put a delay of 1 second, right? And then duplicate it. Another user input, please enter your email address or tap on the email below to confirm, right? So we'll now make it email, and we'll save it to the system field, and we will remove this skip part so that they cannot skip, right? That's fine, that's fine, right? Then another delay, let us make it 1 second, right? And duplicate this, and then another user input, please enter your WhatsApp number, right? Or you can say simply mobile number, or tap on below number to confirm, right? Mobile number. Remember guys, don't use shortcuts, right? So this is a system field, we'll put it in the same system field. This is a type of reply, and this is the field, right? And we'll remove this skip button so they cannot skip, right? So this is how we get the data. Then once they have done, let us say thanks, send message, and then we can say sorry, thank you, and we will use this name here, thank you, and we'll use this name. So go to the curly brackets and test name, right? Thank you for providing all the information required, right? So that's it. So this is how we collect the data, right? Now next step is how do we send all this data to Google Sheet, right? So we will create a Google Sheet first, drive.google.com. Then let us create a new sheet, Google Sheet. Let us say it ManyChat data or user data, right? And we rename it as details, right? Remember one thing, don't ever rename these two things once you have set up your flow and set up your import and export of data. So let us go here, let us see the sheet. What are the what are the data we are collecting? Let us make the columns, right? So first we are collecting name, right? Then we are collecting email, then we are collecting phone number, right? So these are the three data we are collecting here. So now what we will do, we'll go to the sheet. Now we'll make an action here, right? Now go to the Google Sheet actions and select action, insert ManyChat data, right? So this is our, I think this is the one, yeah, user data. Then we go to worksheet details, right? Now here we will give where we are storing data in ManyChat, and that will go to this column, right? So test name, right? Then we are doing here, we had name, sorry, email, then phone. So on this side, on the left side, these are ManyChat custom user variables, custom user fields, and this is on this side they are column titles, right? Which you gave here on the sheet, these three, right? So let us make it save, right? So this is done, right, guys? So what we can do, we can we can connect it to this, and we can connect it to this, right? Now let us publish this, and let's now preview, open Messenger. So here please enter your name, let us say Abhay Chauhan. Then next is enter your email, let us say this one, and this is my number. So now all this information should have gone to ManyChat now, into the Google Sheet. Now let us check it. So here we have all the information,